Hello, in this video I will show you how to deactivate a custom post type on MusicFlex theme. There are cases where you don't need all custom post types. You have to go to Theme Options and the Advanced tab. On the Advanced tab, select the DevTools. Roll down a bit and you'll see the Features Manager. On the top of the list is the Features Manager Post Types. Just go next to the custom post type you don't need and press Deactivate. Don't forget to save changes. To see the result, you need to update the page. Now, the post type has gone. Follow the same process to toggle the post type back on. You can do this for every available post type offered by the theme. That was it. Thanks for watching.